Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and tapping on Sound section right away. Now tap on the switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to switch off or on haptic feedback when your device is muted. Then scroll down, click on the switcher next to Vibrate when ringing, and enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Now you can click on this switcher next to Vibrate on touch to turn on or off vibrations for navigation bar and unlocking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!